Welcome to VoroMotors. Follow along with us today as we unbox the Dualtron Storm. You're going to need scissors or a safety blade. After cutting along the tape, you should be able to open up the flaps and remove the styrofoam at the top. The Dualtron Storm is a heavy scooter, so when you're attempting to take it out of the box for the first time, it would be wise to have a friend help you. So after you've opened up your Dualtron Storm, you'll notice a few things at the top. You have your user manual. Next, you have a little Allen key set with the Mini Motors logo on one side and then Dualtron on the other side. Inside of this white cardboard box, you have your battery. And then next to that, you have your wall adapter. So you're gonna put these two together when you're wanting to charge your scooter. And to control the lights along the stem and the base of the scooter, you have this nifty little LED remote control. In order to use the controller with your scooter, you'll need to remove this plastic piece at the bottom. Either in a baggie or attached to the scooter itself, you should be able to find the keys to unlock the battery compartment at the bottom. The last item that you'll see inside of your box when you're taking your accessories out is this little hook to place on the back of your deck that will then catch your stem when folded. The screws are in this little kit here. But what makes the Dualtron Storm so special is that when you put your key down here and unlock this little lock, take the key out, you got your battery right here in your hands. The great thing about having a removable battery is that you can take a second one with you wherever you go, and you don't have to worry about charging up and waiting for your scooter to be ready. You can just plop another battery in. Now, what's also great about the battery is that you have this little button right over here, and this silver button right here, when pressed in, will activate the LCD display. And this feature is really helpful for when you're riding on long distances and you want to know exactly what your voltage is. So we keep that off though, just to save a little bit of battery. And when you're ready to put it back in, all you need to do, slide it in, let it fall down, and then connect the very front. Make sure that these wires are nicely put to the front when you're lying your battery in. Once the battery nicely slides into its position, you can take your keys and lock the battery up again. So you have your battery right here at the bottom, and then your charging ports are going to be right here towards the very front near your keyhole. Now, in order to charge your scooter, you will need to take this plastic cover off and then connect the holes from your charger to the battery itself and then slide it in. When your battery turns from green to red, that means that it is charging. Make sure plugging the charger into your scooter before you plug it into the wall. So let's take a look at our stem now. We're going to follow it all the way down to this folding mechanism here. In order to unfold it, you're going to take these quick releases like this and push them upwards, letting the stem fall towards the deck like so. In order to put the stem back upright, you'll now take these quick releases, holding them tight, and then you'll bring your stem upwards like so and let them fall down. So when you look at your handlebar section, you'll notice this cool little collection of buttons here on the left of the handlebar. The first thing you'll notice is this on-off switch. So you have your brake levers on your left and right side, and then your LCD display on your right side. You can adjust all of these with your 2mm or 3mm. So when you fold your stem upright, you'll notice your handlebars are still in a folded position. In order to get them out of this position and into your T-shape, the first step is to locate this spring in the middle and then find these two quick releases attached to it. Hold these tight and then push your handlebars inwards like so. Once they're there, you'll take the quick releases, push them inwards like so, and then they should both come out like this and lock on your handlebars. Once that's in place, you'll just take your quick release and firmly clamp them down on either side, and then you have a firm handlebar section. The Storm comes equipped with front and rear brake calipers that are fully hydraulic. Bright and colorful LEDs line the stem and deck of the scooter, making sure that you're visible wherever you go. Thanks so much for following along with us today in our unboxing video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, please make sure to subscribe if you aren't already and hit that bell for notifications.